If you're looking for a Google Analytics alternative, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll give you an overview of Piwik Pro. Piwik Pro is a web analytics platform just like Google Analytics. There are certain features within Piwik Pro that make it a better choice than Google Analytics. However, every business is different, their requirements are different. So one tool that might work for somebody else might not work for you. So you have to decide if Piwik Pro or GA4 or Adobe or something else is the right choice for you or not. In this video, I'll give you an overview of Piwik Pro so that you can try it out and make an informed decision. I will also provide you a link to Piwik Pro Academy where you can learn more about Piwik Pro for free. But before we dive into the video, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, and hopefully by the end of this video, you'll like this video and give it a thumbs up. So if you're ready, let's dive in. Here I am in Piwik Pro interface. I assume that you already have some experience with Google Analytics, as I will be doing some comparisons with Google Analytics. I'm not gonna go deep dive and talk about all the features of Piwik Pro and how it's different from Google Analytics, but I'll do some comparisons along the way. The point of this video is to give you a quick overview of Piwik Pro so that you can feel comfortable giving it a try. To be completely transparent, the link to the academy that I'm going to provide you at the end of this video is built by me. It's a Piwik Pro official academy, but I am the instructor. However, that's my only involvement with Piwik Pro. My company provides services for Google Analytics 4, Adobe Analytics, Piwik Pro, as well as other analytics tools. So if you need my help in figuring out which tool will be best for your organization, then check the description of this video. Piwik Pro is an all-in-one platform. What that means is that all the modules that you require to track the performance of your website or app or marketing are all available within one interface. So right now, I am in Analytics interface. However, if you go up to the top left corner, there is a menu. Clicking on the menu will show you the other modules. So here is Analytics. That's what I'm showing you on my screen. Then you have Tag Manager, Consent Manager, and even Customer Data Platform. So this is different from how Google Analytics is set up. In Google Analytics, you have to open these modules using different URLs, and you don't even have Consent Manager and CDP in there. When you first log in, you will come to a screen that shows you all the dashboards that you have created. They will be listed on this screen. By clicking on any of these dashboards, will load that dashboard for you. On top of that, there is a menu that you can use to quickly go over different parts of analytics. So here, clicking on reports will show you all the predefined reports that are available within Piwik Pro. If you are familiar with Google Analytics, then you'll notice that the reporting interface looks very similar. In the left navigation are the links to various reports. These reports are organized logically under major sections, such as audience, acquisition behavior, conversion, etc. Expanding each of these sections will show you the reports that are available within that section. Each section has an overview report that has key metrics on top and a chart at the bottom. And the detailed reports underneath have a chart on top and a table containing various dimensions and metrics, similar to what Google Analytics has. If none of these predefined reports satisfy your needs, then you can create custom reports by going to the Custom Reports section. Next is the Goals tab that allows you to create and manage goals. E-commerce has its own reporting section. So you'll see a bunch of reports here showing you all your e-commerce data. After e-commerce, you have two sections, integration and settings. These sections in GA4 are within the admin panel. Here, you'll find the links on top. Integration allows you to integrate various other products with Piwik Pro. For example, if you want to integrate Google Ads, you'll click on Go to Settings, which will take you to the Settings section where you can enter the information to connect Piwik Pro to Google Ads. And in the Settings section, you can manage integration with Google Search Console, Google Ads. You have some personal tools, as well as you can manage segments, dimensions, etc. So that's the interface that you have for analytics. Now let's take a look at the Piwik Pro Tag Manager. So go to Menu and click on Tag Manager. The Tag Manager works very similar to how Google Tag Manager works. The menu options on top allow you to switch between tags, triggers, variables, etc. To create a new tag, simply click on Add a Tag, pick your tag type, and then create a tag. You'll notice that the tag templates available within Piwik Pro are limited. However, most of the work can be done by using a custom code. Piwik Pro is also working on new tag templates. Triggers allow you to create triggers. Click on Add a Trigger, and you can add your trigger condition. Next, you have variables. Just like the variables you have in Google Tag Manager, you can add a new variable by clicking on Add a Variable. Meta Setup allows you to add tags, triggers, and variables to many sites all at once. Changelog allows you to see the history of changes that were made to the Tag Manager. And then Settings section allows you to import the settings from another site as well as set the tag priority. So that's all about Tag Manager. Again, if you're interested in learning the details about Tag Manager, then check the description of this video for the link to the course. Now let's go to the Consent Manager. Consent Manager allows you to get users' consent for cookies and tracking. With just a click of few buttons, you can have the consent form available for you. You can then use the user's consent to fire or not fire a particular tag for that user. So having all this in one interface and all integrated with each other makes it very easy for you to respect users' consent. I'm not going to go over customer data platform since it's still in beta when I'm recording this video. I hope this video gave you a good overview of Piwik Pro platform. Piwik Pro has a free version, so there is no reason for you not to try it. Again, check the link in the description of this video. Click on that link, go sign up for Piwik Pro and set it up. Also, make sure to check out my complete course because that course walks you through setup step by step. I hope you liked this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment for me. And I will see you in the next video.